Hello everybody. Hello everybody. This is kind of like an education video today, but I'm gonna show you if you're in 4th grade, then only if you're in 4th grade watch this. If you're in the beginning of 4th grade, watch this. So I'm gonna teach you some ways I'm gonna teach you some tips of easier ways to multiply multi-digit numbers. So I'm gonna show you easier ways to do multi-digit multiplication. So starting off with the simple, let's say 25 times 7. So this is what I call long multiplication. So this is actually kind of easy when it comes to doing simple basic multiplication problems. This is actually really easy. It looks hard, but it's actually really easy. So it actually involves small problems like 5 times 3 equals 15, because 5 times 3, 5 times 3 is basically, just you probably already know this, but 5 times 3, for example, 5 times 3 is multiplying, adding 2 more 5s onto the 5, which is, so 5 plus 3 equals 15, or 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals 15. So there's 3 5s, 5 times 3. So 5 times 3 is, you have 3 5s, and then add them together. That's really what simple digit multiplication is. So say 5 times 7 is 5 with 7 5s. That would be 35. So you put the 5 here, and then the 3 up here onto the next column. Then 2 times 7 will be 14. Then you add the 3, which is 175. That's a little basic, but we're going to get on to, that's one of my strategies to do it. We also have another strategy called the distributive property. So I can show you that, the different problem. Say 27 times 2. So we're going to do, so 2 times 20 plus 7. So you make the 27, 20 plus 7. And then you do the arrow. You don't really have to do the arrow, but 2 times 20 plus 2 times 7. And then you multiply those both. So 2 times 20 is, take off the 0, 2 times 2 is 4. Then put the 0 back on, so 40. So 40, and then 2 times 7 is 14. 40 plus 14 equals, and it equals 54. So now we know that 27 times 2 is 54. But we're going to get on to double digits now. Okay, so let's say we have 45 times 15. So I have several different strategies. I have 4 different strategies for this. I'm going to show you 4 different strategies to do this. So we're going to do, this one is called partial products. And we can also use long multiplication for this. It's a little harder. It's a little harder than this. And this is just as easy as triple digits, like 200. Let's say we have 325 times 7. We'll do this after I show you 4 different strategies to do double digits times double digits. So let's do we're going to do partial products first. So 5 times 5 is, the first number is 25. Then 10 times 5 This is actually a 10, even though it looks like a 1, because it's in the tens column. So 10 times 5 is 50. And then 40 times 5 is, you take out the 0, multiply 4 times 5 is 20, and then add the 0 back on, which is 200. And then 40 times 10, you have to take off the zeros. 4 times 1 is 4, and then add the 2 zeros back on, which is 400. And then, after you get all 4 numbers, you add them together. 400, 200, 50, 25. So basically the ones column is obviously 5, because that's the only number in the ones column. Okay, so now we have 50 and 25. We'll make this look more like a 5. So 5 plus 2 equals 7. You should know that if you're not in kindergarten. No offense. Okay, where do I put, okay. 7. And then 4 plus 2 is 6. So 675. We have 3 more methods to do this. This video is already like 7 minutes long. I call this one the window method, where you make a little window. Let's do 53 times 47. Let's do that. Okay, so 50 times 40, which the answer to that, let's take up the zeros. 4 times 5 is 20. Put the zeros back on. That is 2,000. And then 50 times 7, take up the 0. 7 times 5 is 35. Put the 0 back on. 350. And then 40 times 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So 120. And then 7 times 3 equals 21. So add them all together. Add 2,120. This may seem like a boring video, but it can actually help you. 350 and 21. Okay, so the ones column only has 1, so we're going to put 1. 2 plus 5 equals 7, plus 2 equals 9. 1 plus 3 equals 4, and then 2 is the only thing in the thousands column, so we're going to put 2. So 2491. Now we're going to stop there. Maybe we'll make part 2, because this video is already like 9 minutes long. So I hope that helped you a little bit with math, like multiplying. No, I have 2 more strategies for you, and one of them is long multiplication, but it's a little harder. But like and subscribe and hit the notification list if you're the content of my videos if you haven't already. And my gaming videos I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday, so you're gonna have one more awesome gaming video this week. And my vlog videos I post Monday, Wednesday. My gaming videos I post Tuesday, Thursday, and Saturday. Correction for that. So I have one more awesome gaming video this week, and my vlog videos I post Monday, Wednesday, Friday. So you're gonna have 0 more awesome vlog videos this week. Sad So bye, yeah.